Happy Chew Year! That's right, it's the new year and I'm a chew. And today I'm going to show you a super quick and easy one-pot pasta dish that's low calorie and a great way to start off the new year. So stick around. Hi, Debbie Chew here from Chew on Vegan. Welcome back to my kitchen and welcome to a new year. And we are ready to roll with some great whole food plant-based no oil recipes. If you're new here, I'm a plant-based RN and I do follow a whole food plant-based no oil way of eating. So if that sounds good to you, please subscribe and also follow me on Instagram. Now I'm sure you're all wondering about this shirt powered by plants, and this was my Secret Santa gift this year at work. So thank you, Shelly. We don't keep it secret, we say who gives what to who, so I think it makes it fun and that way you know who to thank. So I really love this shirt. And if you want to know where to get it, let me know and I'll try to find out where she got it and I'll leave a link below. So today I'm going to show you a one-pot pasta dish. It's going to be 3 ingredients, super easy, super simple, and it's a great weeknight dinner. I mean, probably 15 minutes and you're eating dinner, so it couldn't be easier than that. I am using one pre-made product, but it's very low in fat and makes life so much easier, and sometimes it's worth it to do something that is, you know, pre-prepared that you got at the store. You can find some really good quality products out there. You just have to read the labels and just look for them, and they're out there. You don't need to make everything from scratch, but you do want to keep it simple. You do want to keep it whole food plant-based, and this recipe is a perfect example of that. So for the month of January, I'm doing No Spend January, and if you were on my Facebook Live, then you heard me talk about that. And basically all that is that I'm eating out of my pantry and my freezer. I will be buying some fresh fruit and vegetables, things like that at the grocery store, but for the most part just eating what I have here at home. And this recipe is a good example of that. It also, this No Spend January really helps you save money. You're not going to believe how much money you spend. We're not going to be going out to eat. We're not going to be getting frou-frou coffees, anything like that. And I bring my lunch to work anyway, but that's one way to do it, is to bring your lunch to work. So if you want to join me in the No Spend January and save some money, that'd be great. All right, so let's get on with the recipe. So for this super easy recipe, you need basically 3 ingredients. I'm going to be using some red lentil pasta, higher in protein, higher in fiber. It's gluten-free. It's one of my favorite pastas. And then I'm going to be using this vegan buffalo dip from Trader Joe's. It is phenomenal. It does have a little bit of oil in it, but it is super low fat and it is so delicious. I mean, I've put it in pasta dishes. I've used it as a dip. I've used it on baked potatoes. It's amazing. And then some frozen broccoli. Now, if you don't have this buffalo dip, you could use a pesto. You could use any kind of sauce really that you want. You could use some kind of a tomato-based sauce. It doesn't have to be this, but this is so easy to do and really fairly inexpensive. All right, I'm going to cook the pasta to package directions, and then I'm going to show you how I put it all together, and it's pretty much all in one pot. All right, so we drain the pasta. You want to keep a couple tablespoons of the cooking water in there. All right, then I'm going to add my buffalo dip, and this is all to taste. And just so you know, this is spicy. So this is a little under a cup. I'm going to add some more. So I'm thinking about a cup is about what I added in here. And then that package of broccoli that I steamed up was I think 16 ounces. I'm adding it all in here. And then you may need to add more, but this is how you are going to dilute the calories and make this a low calorie density meal by putting in all that delicious broccoli. Now this is a great weeknight dinner. It takes the time to cook the pasta is really all it takes. So probably 10 minutes. I also chopped up the broccoli so it was in bite-sized pieces. So this looks great to me. All right, I'm gonna plate this up and we will give it a taste. All right, finished product. Looks good, yum. All right, let's give it a taste. It is so good. A little bit spicy, maybe medium spicy. My husband says I'm a lightweight, so to me this is spicy. If you like spicy foods, you probably won't think it's that spicy at all. But I just love how simple it is and it comes together so quick. So a great recipe to start off your plant-based journey this year. And just do these kind of recipes on repeat. Get like 5 or 6 recipes that you really like, that are easy, and then just do them over and over and make your life easy. So if you like this video, if you learned something, please give it a like and share it with your friends. And if you've made it this far in the video, please comment below with pasta. And that way I know that you made it to the end with me, and I also know that you're serious about your plant-based journey. And I'm here for you, and we're gonna have a great year. And remember that all my recipes are good for you, they're good for the animals, and they're good for the planet. And what you put on your plate determines your fate and your weight. Until next time, thank you.